Let's take a look at licensing in the WatchGuard ecosystem. We will cover the concepts you need to know for activating WatchGuard licenses, then show what activation looks like. Let's get started. When it comes to buying your license, there are a few things to keep in mind. First of all, WatchGuard offers free trials for most of our products. Free trials start at 30 days, and many can be extended to 60 days. So be sure to take advantage of trials to see if new products are a good fit for you. For more information on how to activate a trial, check out the WatchGuard Trials video. WatchGuard offers term licenses for 1 or 3 years for all of our products. You purchase these licenses in advance, and then they start running when you activate them. This is the only licensing option available to everyone, and we will focus on term licenses in this video. Companies in the WatchGuard Partner Program also have access to additional licensing options using points and subscriptions. Let's take a closer look at how term licenses work. Say I purchased a 1-year, 50 user license for WatchGuard's FireCloud Total Access product. I will activate this license in January of 2025, and the timer starts ticking. I have 1 year until January 2026 to use the product for up to 50 users. If I later purchase another 1-year FireCloud license for an additional 50 users, I have a couple options available. I can combine the number of new users with my existing license, providing me with 100 users over the next year, or I can choose to extend my license expiration, which gives me 50 users for 2 years. This is how term licenses work for all of our cloud products, including Endpoint Security and Authpoint, while licenses for hardware like the Firebox can only be extended, not combined. Now, there are a couple other scenarios I want to talk about that come up when it is time to renew your license. Let's say I have my existing FireCloud license for 50 users over 2 years, and I purchase another 1-year FireCloud license for 60 users. As mentioned earlier, I can either add the total number of licenses together, creating a license for 110 users, or I can extend the expiration date. When I extend the expiration with a different number of users in my new license, the new number will take over and immediately change the total number of users available to match the new license that I just activated. So I can start protecting the additional users immediately. WatchGuard will automatically adjust the new expiration date to reflect the remaining value of the combined licenses. So in this case, since I increased the number of users, my expiration will shorten to reflect that the original 50 user license is now supporting 60 users. This will also apply if you extend the expiration using a second license with less users than the original. The total will immediately change to match the new license, and your expiration will change to match the new value. Sometimes you want to upgrade your product. In the other example here, let's say I have been using WatchGuard's FireCloud Internet Access, and I want to upgrade to Total Access. I will purchase a new Total Access license and activate it on top of my existing FireCloud license. In this case, I will extend the expiration. WatchGuard will immediately upgrade the license to Total Access, and the remaining value of the original license will be combined with the new license. So again, the expiration will shorten to reflect that the Internet Access license is now supporting Total Access. With all of that said, let's take a look at how to activate a license. From the WatchGuard.com homepage, I can log into my account in the top right and reach the Support Center. I will hover over my WatchGuard at the top and select Activate Products. To begin, I need to enter the license or feature key that I purchased. The summary will then display the details of the license being activated. In this case, you can see I have a new FireCloud Total Access license to activate for 3 users over 3 years. I will go ahead and proceed and add this to my account. Let's say some time has passed, and now I want to increase my number of FireCloud licenses to 5. I purchased a license for 5 users, so I will repeat the process by going to Product Activation and entering the license key. From here, I have a couple options. I could add the users to my existing license, giving me a total of 8 users with a similar expiration as before, or I can extend it, which will increase my available users to 5, matching my new license, and combine the expirations together, giving me the most time possible. I will choose the option to extend the license and activate it to my account. Now that my licenses are activated, I need to head over to WatchGuard Cloud to continue. I will hover over my WatchGuard at the top and select WatchGuard Cloud. From there, I can begin to use the new product I just activated. Now that we have seen how term licenses work, a reminder that members of the WatchGuard Partner Program do gain some additional options for licensing, which I will quickly cover. Partners can activate multiple term licenses at once that run concurrently. So I could, for example, have 2 or 3 sets of FireCloud licenses running that expire at different times, which could help me support different clients. In addition to term licenses, partners can also purchase licenses using points and subscriptions. These enable more flexibility in how you are billed, offering month to month billing. Partners can also divide and allocate their licenses between multiple subscriber accounts, or even link licenses directly to their subscribers, enabling them to control exactly how every client they support is licensed. For more information about joining the partner program, check out the WatchGuard.com homepage, and for using licenses as a partner, check the WatchGuard technical search. In summary, WatchGuard offers trials and a few different options for how you purchase and use licenses. When renewing licenses for a product, you can either choose to combine or extend the licenses to control how they are consumed. WatchGuard will automatically adjust the license expiration when renewing to match the remaining value of both licenses. For more information, check the WatchGuard technical search.